Yes, everyone, we are here.
So good morning, everyone. So to my dear Asta, so we are again for also we call it as the team at culture. So team, as you can see the weather is so rainy and it's not so good. Together with my team Asta, which is, hey, how about you, Lali? I know it's Liz. Oh, ito pala si Liz. This is Deo. Dennis, this is Echo. Oh, very good. Since it's already August, now we are celebrating the National Family Planning Program. Moving from 3 to 5 August dapat kalusugan, edukasyon, edukasyon, kayang-kaya ng pamilya sa tamang kagawad ng mga bata. And we are live here at Republic of the Philippines Department of Health, Zamboanga, the
Tunda dyan po lang.
Office, 107 Avenue Corner, the Morphic Barra, the Polo. So now, let's talk about our issues with regards in the family planning program. But before that, my dear team Askan, and just like a very storyline and very interesting, keep moving that we're going to present you as we discuss our family program. So, thank you. Good morning again.
Di ba, nag-advise na sa'yo si Commander na nagamit ng kalendar nito? Oo, sinunod na namin mga course ko eh. Ano bang ginawa niyo sa kalendar method? Pinag-aaral namin ng history yung kalendar method.
Nakuratan. Ilan man ba ang problema niya? Mas mabuti pang sumali kayo sa PFPP.
Ano yun? Ito ang Philippine
Family
Planning
Program.
Oh. Oh. Now, my dear friends, Team Astros, let us now define what is the meaning and the importance of the family planning program. My dear Now, let's talk about the importance of family planning. Now, let's talk about the existing program of the family planning.
Oh, my dear Ascal, we already know the meaning, importance, and existing program of family planning. Now let's talk about the legal basis on it.
Last part of this show, my dear Ascals, let's talk about the source of PFPP.
Go. Dean. 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 Lali? And this is the story of my husband's lover. Oh, yun na.
Oh, so nagustuhan niyo ba lahat ng mga sinasabi? Kaya tama yung mga sinasabi, no? So, my dear Asgard, hope you have done learning that you've got in our session, and especially family and sleep. And don't worry for another some shows. We were going to give you another important thing that could rely in our fascination or in our current. So, these are the Team Asgard, and the only thing that we can say is thank you for watching, and once again, goodbye.
Magkalayong agwat, gagawin ang lahat. Mapasayo lang ang pag-ibig na alay sa'yo. Ang awit na to ay awit ko sa'yo. Sana ay madama, magkabila man ang ating mundo. Kahit nasan ka man, hindi ka papalitan. Nag-iisa ka lang, kahit na langit ka at lupa ko ang bituin, ay aking dadamhin. Pag naiisip ka, sabay kayong nagniningning. Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi. Ang oras natin ay magkasalong at aking hapunan ay iyong umagahan. Kahit bagang araw ay matatingin ka. Hihintayin kita
Oh, my
kahit
dear
nasaan
Askan,
ka
na,
pa, di ako mawawala. Kahit na may dumating pa dito lang ako iibig sa iyo hanggang nandiyan ka pa, hanggang wala
now,
ka pang iba.
ayaw, now,
Dito ay umaga at dyan ay gabi.
ganyan daw ako sa inyo.
Oras
Mas mabuti pang,
natin ay magkasalong at aking hapunan ay iyong umaga.
natanawa lagi usog.
Kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay magagabi.
Ay, katawa siya.
Ako na ay dasing.
May nalokray ni may.
Family.
Dyan ay gabi, ang oras natin ay magkasalong at aking hapunan ay umagaan. Ngunit
Then,
kahit
go!
na dyan ay gabi, ang oras natin ay magkasalong at aking hapunan ay iyong umagahan. Ngunit kahit na anong mangyari, balang araw ay magkakaroon